I welcome you all to IKS Academy Bangalore's session on Sikh Panth. Sikh religion or Panth was established by Guru Nanak Dev in 15th century BCE. Sikh religion is in the nature of social reform and religious purification from rituals, etc., and dominance of Brahmanism, discrimination against women, etc. Now, Guru Nanak Dev emphasized on equality, gender equality for women. He opposed Sati Pratha and Parda system both. Then great emphasis was laid on self-control and certain other issues of reform like self-control, Kirtan, Samagam, Kar Seva, and selfless service to the community. An important characteristic of Sikhism was to fight against injustice. Justice, retribution, and divine justice, these were pleaded. All efforts were made to make peace, but if such efforts fail, then be prepared to take up sword to fight the injustice. Now, 5 kakar are there for a Sikh prescribed by Guru: Kesh, Komb, Katar, and Kripan. No drug consumption was permissible. No animal sacrifice at any ritual was allowed. No blind faith. No parda system for women. No blind race for material progress. No Sati Pratha. No animal sacrifice. Sannyas system was also opposed. Guru allowed Sikhs to lead a pure family life, keep control on tongue. Begging was not permissible. No Brahmin, Purohit and rituals were there. Only Granthi of Guru Granth Sahib was their Purohit. No extramarital relations are permissible, and meat eating was restrained to certain limit only. Then Gurudwara was the only temple and Guru Granth Sahib was the only holy book of Sikh religion. Thus, Sikhs were freed from clutches of Pandits and their costly rituals. Sikh religion is monotheistic faith based on equity, justice, sacrifice, service, and spiritual growth. Langar and Kar Seva, these two things are based on equality of all people. No discrimination on any ground was permitted. Now, Sikhism got divided into certain sects, and certain differences were there in different sects. First is Namdhari Sikhs. They practice meditation, emphasize on mindfulness and mental well-being. They also believe in simple living with sustainability. Then they emphasize on practicing self-control, self-awareness and personal spiritual growth. Second sect is Khalsa Sikhs. They live by certain core values propagated by Guru Nanak Dev, like courage and resilience, sacrifice, service, justice, equality, community service, and voluntary work. Third sect is Nirankari Sikhs. They believe in universal brotherhood and unity of people. For this, they propagated the idea of global citizenship. There must be tolerance and sharing of thoughts or conversation. Spiritual awakening and inner peace were also their core values. Interfaith dialogue and development of mutual understanding for harmony and peace. These things were emphasized. Values propagated by Sikh religion like equality, justice, compassion, service, self-discipline, mindfulness, tolerance, dialogue, unity, global citizenship, etc. are relevant to make our lives peaceful or meaningful, we may say. So these values are relevant for modern day living. We may say that all these values are eternal. These are not only meant for present times, but these are true for all times to come. Management people also may derive benefit from these values. Especially equality is very important, non-discrimination, you may say. It is a core value for leadership also. Then in order to avoid mental stress, they can learn so many things from Sikhism. Courage and spirit to fight for justice as a last resort is also useful for business leaders. Universal brotherhood, exchange of thought, spiritual awakening, inner peace, tolerance. These values are also important for business managers and leaders. If you want to learn something more, then I would recommend the book Moksha Path, written by an eminent diamond exporter, Sri Ranjit Kumar Singh Jain, based at Bangalore. This is published by Om Awakening Foundation, Bangalore. Thank you very much.